Take a ride in the 2017 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, dual exhaust, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.